We talk so we give una 7 major excuses where ladies they give when they still they single. And thank God say Betyana and we just carry the hands
problem,
up, say,
thank
yes,
you.
we are single ladies in the air.
We did I am.
I'm not saying that. Anyway, number 1 reason that they give. Now we tell us whether that's true or false.
You said go tell us because you don't single before.
Yes, just 6 months
What you
ago.
talk? What you talk? For that last
you
part.
get experience, pass us.
You say before.
Yeah, you get experience now.
All things that pass away.
Zobo.
Number 1. Saying that Zobo. I am taking my time.
I'm not taking my time. I'm
No.
sorry.
I don't give that, no.
I'm not taking
One by
my
one, one by one, ladies, one by one. We tell us I'm taking
I don't
my
give
time.
that. I'm not taking my time. Okay.
That's all.
Yeah.
I'm not taking my time.
Okay, that's also for you. Say a woman who says she dey take her time. Who should they fool? Nobody. That makes you understand the facts. A lot of unserious guys they there who want to take advantage of them, may they all play with their emotions, they talk different type of things, and the ladies also they responsible for their own status as taking their own time.
No, but truly, once in a while, I, as a single person, don't actually talk and say, I'm taking my time to make the right choice. Now, taking my time don't mean say I dey select. It just means say, I'm trying to observe and look instead of me just jumping into any person and then coming out. So,
That is why I'm posing this question to you.
please pause
Are
it.
you really, really taking your time, or because you are just taking your time because there's no man there now?
Men
But
plenty.
if you answer
that question.
No, men plenty.
Okay.
Forget men plenty, but I dey try to observe first before I actually decide who I go actually be with. Because if I want a man today, I feel get man today. If I want 20 today, thank God, yes, I'm not trying to brag, I feel get 20 today. But at the end of the day, now my heart they play with, because I'm Pisces, they born me in February, I feel they're very, very emotional. And if they hurt me, you go see me, I go slim for years. So I have to take my time and know the right person where actually suits into.
Okay, now, Betyana, this
Your
question
turn.
goes to
Yeah,
Maybe
right.
answer
I
your
just
first
figure the
one.
answer.
No, leave them. They are the married. They are counseling us.
I know.
So now we just talk just now. Say she be Pisces. Me, I believe you. It is very, very difficult for you to
Lion.
break my heart. That's not first thing. Now, no mean say if you do me something, no go pain me. But if it pain me, maybe 1 day, 2 days, we know. And then I don't forget
don't let
about
go.
them. Not saying as in it don't go be that. So for me, I don't go say I dey take my time. I go talk say I dey buy time, because nowadays the breed of men where we get, you need to buy time for them to show their true color. Marriage not be something where person go just jump into, because say you single and all your friends don't marry. You can say, okay, me if I want to join the league of married women, and then you marry for 1 month, your marriage don't scatter. You get one of our actors now we married this year. Now his wife no dey wear ring again. She don't advertise herself for inside Instagram. Very soon the news will come outside. And so I dey buy time.
Okay. The
And I'd like
question.
just to talk more on what my fellow beautiful colleague just talked now, and
Yes, my
sister and
darling.
friend,
Yes.
and fellow single
Yes, when
lady.
you're in the single club together, you are friends, your sisters, your family, your
Yeah,
everything.
three are making our friends. Okay,
leave
let's
am.
all the same.
Now when
Let's
they leave
flock
this
together.
demarcation for
So
you.
we are flocking together.
Yes,
Intelligent
yes,
single ladies, you
Yes,
understand?
beautiful.
Beautiful, you understand? Please, are we not beautiful?
We are beautiful.
Are we not
Yes.
wonderful?
We are wonderful.
I
I
feel like
we are
you have
fantastic.
Wonderful.
No, skip it, that word.
Yeah.
It's wonderful. Repeat.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Okay,
Now, just to say
you don't
something.
do.
Just to
Maybe
say
I
something on top of
number
what she talk. No,
two.
just to say
Hell.
something on top of what she talk. Now, why would they buy time or me take my time? Not mean say I dey select. Not mean say anybody will come my way, we just they push them aside. No, we give them chance to prove themselves. Now, when you not prove yourself, now they actually just push you aside. For me, I like a guy being confident. You don't need to get everything in the world, but if you're not that confident in yourself, now turn off for me.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Wait,
Skip
wait,
it, we
no
dey move
verse,
on.
no
We get
verse.
7.
Wait.
Wait,
Hell,
no verse,
Jesus.
no
Oh
verse.
yeah, continue.
Taking your time
Or
and
buying
buying
time.
time, if they get limit, say I won't take my time, I won't buy time till I enter 32, then no more buying time.
I'm sorry, for me, I know they look the
Skip
age.
it, I'm in my 30s.
I
Yes,
know they
I'm in
look
my
the age,
30s,
because I'm not
but
going to say
forget.
because I don't almost 35.
Are you?
I won't
Yes,
just jump
I'm my
to the
30s,
next
but
available
forget.
man.
No, I just
not
don't know
gonna do
whether
that
I
one.
get age limits to take
No,
buy time.
you know what's in there? If
You
they
no
get some
get.
kind,
For me.
I don't see my auntie where she did like, because now a lot of people now they use my auntie as an example for me. My auntie is 38, and if she talks say, "Mommy, I'm taking my time," they'll say, "Eh,
Which time?
38? Which time?" Yes, some girls once they don't actually clock 30, there is no time taking anymore. So any man will come, they go just enter. But for me, I'm not gonna allow being in my 30s to allow me to rush into it. I would not.
You should
see,
not.
I don't believe in divorce, so I would never get into any marriage that I would leave. Never.
Amen.
So I go actually take my time
Beautiful,
to get the
beautiful.
right
Actually,
man.
actually,
And
love
una
it
go
to talk
celebrate
una
with
don't
me.
talk.
Because
Talk
it is
una
never
talk
too
well.
late.
Number 2, talk una don't talk very well. I actually like una points. Now give me solid points. Beautiful, nice. Let's move on.
Judge Amaka.
Thank you. Number 2, all they want to do now touchlighting.
No
Yes, so
way.
that's not
That's
true.
not
Say
true.
all the men want now touchlight.
Now, any man will go
All the
post
men
touch
want.
lighting to you. For me, I feel saying that how you place yourself before the man. Now, if you
Yes.
give a man no other thing but touch lighting to think about when he day with you, then that's your own fault. Now, you need to show the man, say you day much more than touch lighting, because at the end of the day, now waiting go make the man even stay for inside the relationship. Because if not touch lighting, if you find him anywhere.
No, the point now be say,
can I-
wetin Amaka dey try to talk now be say,
The
excuse.
excuse.
Yes, that's
Yes,
what I'm
no,
saying.
no,
I
no,
say
no,
not
no,
buy
no.
that excuse.
She not buy the excuse.
So for those people, they use the excuse that they tell them the reason why they go feel use that kind of excuse. The
For
excuse
them.
na
They
very,
place
very
themselves
silly
in that
excuse.
position.
Now where you place yourself, now the man go carry you from.
And just to say something, just to actually say something, not be all men, they go after touchlighting.
Yes.
Not all men. So now you as a person, if you actually, like what Betyana talk, now how you take portray yourself, now so the man will take carry you. If you show yourself as that flirty kind of girl, the man go want time. So, but if you actually show yourself as the kind of, no, I'm very principled person, if it gets to that point, yes, we can do it. The man not go bring him up. I don't see person where on the first date, the man don't already tell and say, come, I want to touchlight you. On the first date. And would you want to know the story?
Well,
You're married. It's a single people gist.
The single, yes.
okay, beautiful. My ladies are really making my head to be swelling. You know, they are giving us beautiful, good answers. You know, let me tell you.
For skipping not to say anything to attack.
No, mind. Hey! Wait for the next
No,
one.
but they give us good answers and make our
Wait
heads
for the
swell.
next
Okay,
one.
number 3. Me now, this one, I don't say. Nah, just
Talk,
say
ah.
it. We dey wait for the perfect man.
There is no perfect
There is no
man.
perfect man. I would never agree. Any lady
There's
where
no
they out
perfect
there,
man.
where they talk, say they wait for the perfect man. I'm sorry for you because there is no perfect man. Even you as a person, you're not the perfect. So don't expect a perfect man.
But it's not a debate.
End of
calm down.
discussion.
Now, for inside novel or for movie, not perfect man. No, I know, take am easy. Take it easy. Don't tell me. I can see they say mellow. No.
Mellow.
No.
Oh yeah, hold on.
I would
on.
not. So
Make
no
her put
perfect
am this
person.
way. Perfect man, Mr. Right.
There's no Mr. Right.
There is no Mr. Right. You marry Mr. Right, Amaka?
Yes, I married my Mr. Right.
You married a good man.
You
I
marry
married
a good
my
man and
Mr.
not a
Right.
Mr. Right. No.
He's my right.
You
He's
marry
my
Mr. Right, Skimpy.
Nobody's perfect.
Oh! Skimpy, you dey bust my dada.
Where did that day?
Ziana. You dey bust my dada.
No,
for me, there's no,
perfect.
nobody's
Nobody's
perfect.
perfect. So you mean you don't have any?
I like that
you know,
particular
what's
line
it-
where it talks, say, love the imperfect person perfectly.
Okay.
I like him. So it just shows that there's nobody perfect. So just love the person in perfection.
So, you know, now, putting a, maybe we put score line for her. Over 100, if man reach how many, now you go consider one for marriage?
How many what?
As in over 100 now.
Over
Maybe
100.
wait you go score the man if over 100. If the man gets
What
waiting
you
with
scoring?
I know where Skimpy they go with this thing.
Yeah.
Just
Because
scoring.
a lot of my relatives, aunties, in fact, my sister-in-law self, last week, she still do this thing for me. And now a lot of my married friends go tell me, say, make I tell you, if man reach 50%, ti pass me, okay, don't work here.
Fine.
For you now, how
Now,
many
now,
percent for you
Now,
now?
what they tell me, because now, the way they take explain them to me,
Uh-huh,
okay, so
please.
I get a lot of married friends. Now they go tell me, say, see, no matter waiting, no matter how the man take love you from now till tomorrow, it go still annoy you. As in, you go there irritated, you go be like, say, you kid him.
Okay.
Say, no matter what, say, but now,
Weigh
you go
the
need
likes
to
and the
measure,
dislikes.
you go need to measure the amount of times where they take annoy you with the amount of times where they make you happy.
Okay.
But he not go fit make you happy every time.
You don't say they never give
So
us
I
answer.
don't get percent.
I don't get answer.
I don't get answer.
But
But
you
if I
should.
feel write a book where
For
if I
me,
feel-
60.
Oh, 60.
Yes.
Okay, so
I
if you
like.
get up to 60%, you do
Yes.
okay. We
Who we for you?
I never
Rough
try
guess,
am
rough
before.
guess.
just roughly. Just estimate, give us something.
Maybe 6. And let me just stick to our own because I never tried them before. Let me just stick to Betyana.
No,
How you
Speak
go
for
take her
yourself.
60? Take your
Speak
because
for
her own 60.
yourself.
She got no way
For
to
me,
wait
Sure
for her
about her
60.
60. Pick for
I
yourself.
don't see. For me, if the way they make me happy, then plenty pass the way they make me this sad, then I will go for it. Let's say I go counselor and counselor tell me say give me 10 things where they do where they make you happy, and I confidently write the 10 things, and give me 10 things where they make you sad, and I write 5. Then for me, you don't actually score.
Okay,
So-
that's still like
That's still like 80-20,
80-20.
Abi?
Okay, may I throw this question? You say now 60. So what if in a way, out of those good things, you can't find out say you get like 40, and that 40 na solid 40.
My sister, there's no solid 40.
Well, I mean, the things where you define, the major things where you define are 40, you get them.
It's not everything perfect.
There's no
You
solid
don't get it
40.
perfectly.
No, 40 not even, as in out of 100, 49 she see, and it's very good.
No, it's not still very good at
It's
that 40,
not.
but they try.
It's
If for that
not.
40,
No.
they try. It's still like pass.
That one go come.
That
That one go mean say I dey compromise myself.
Yeah.
You know what happened, Amaka? At this point, I go with the single girls. 40 is not good
It's not good
enough.
It's not good.
I will never
It's
do
not a
anything
pass
with
mark
40.
at all.
Yes, you're going to say, why I can't talk for the beginning of this show, say 40 over 100. I feel say we supposed to
We
react
actually
one.
talk as in a pass mark.
You see, you say
Don't
na
be pass
No,
mark.
change your mouth, change it.
Na failure.
40
Capital
over
letter D.
100 is actually failure.
You
so
have
you know
failed.
what happen at this point? I dey admonish, I dey tell everybody where they are there confidently. Say the fact say my ladies where they here na single ladies 9MB. No means say then they find that man will go take them to the moon and the back. They never just meet
But
that
nothing
man
bad if you
wey
take
go
me to
give
the
them.
moon.
I'm back.
Yeah.
Even if na once in a while.
Even once in a while.
Even if na once in a while. You understand?
I mean, all right, number
Yeah,
4
continue. Give us.
Okay. Now another excuse where then they give, then go say guys are a huge distraction. Yeah, say
yes.
guys for them not distraction.
Okay.
Some ladies do them. I know of some people where they do them, especially some of my friends where they're successful in their trade. Some ladies, they actually do them because they will talk, say, guys, they distract me. We don't go one seminar together where one girl come outside talk, say, for me right now, I don't want a man because I feel, say, men are distraction. They're not going to make me want to achieve success and whatever. But I don't, me and Betyana, I don't
Be
think
better not talk on
I like the way she talk from me. We know me very
Yeah,
well, and I
we
don't buy
don't
am.
see
You know
that,
why?
no.
Because that seminar which they talk about now, our two actually go.
Yeah.
And when the girl talk you know what thing come my mind? I say because she never find. If you get man around you, you know go talk that thing.
Very true.
Now, when we talk about marriage, if you find a good man to marry, that man go help you achieve even much more than you go fit achieve on your own.
Very true.
Now, what's they call marriage? So when you talk, say, okay, the man will they distract you. Now if you say you never find that man will get like 60 and above percent.
That
And
means you
even-
don't
and
go
even-
with this thing.
See, you know what?
No.
And even as a woman, because another woman say come outside talk say, because I don't see a lot of people come outside talk say this man never achieve anything. Oh, this man see they drive boss and whatever. Some people need to understand. So you feel be the blessing to that man. If you marry this man now, you not get car, but 2 months before after I don't marry, in buy car, you can be a blessing to someone.
Apart from you even being a blessing.
Yeah.
Now, people they different.
Yeah.
You get one other program where I go for where they talk say God don't talk say who finds a wife finds a good thing and saying go bless the union. Now when you God talk say go bless the union, he no talk say okay I go bless the union through the man
No.
or I go bless him through the woman. If it be through anybody. Now you get some people where be say on their own they no fit push for themselves. But when their partner come, now that partner go ginger them. So be you
Yes,
male
to
or
push
female,
them.
you fit be the female where go ginger the
Very
man.
true.
And the man fit be the male wey go ginger you as a female. Now I don't see a lot of females they talk say no, I never ginger myself finish. Now me want the ginger one man, the baby the man. But the truth about the matter be say now waiting the marriage there about with that. Now if you feel say you know if you ginger the man, then maybe una two no deserve to be together after all.
Because
Simple.
the point now be say we get good distraction and we get bad one.
distraction,
And the point now be say where you they tell yourself say these guys them be distraction. Now there your younger sister they bring husband come out they
Don't
marry.
born
Don't
I'm telling you. So
My
are you
younger
saying
sister
she's not being distracted? So you know the single ladies out there just comport yourself. Distraction sometimes welcome it because they come.
I like when you talk say
yes.
good and bad distraction. Please, single ladies where they out there, not let desperation push you into bad distractions.
Yes.
Because I don't see a lot of single ladies. You actually did okay on your own, but you meet some men where actually,
Liability.
oh Jesus, if it take you out of your principles, you will get principle before say no, I don't drink, no, I don't smoke, I don't do this. You go start to do one.
Yeah, you know even you know mean say me you
Yeah.
reduce your 60-40 or 70 like Betyana told that time 60-100. No mean say me we reduce them. Just do as much you want.
Let's forget the 60 and 40, please.
Because you don't get no mean say me we not
We
talk.
can
am.
talk this 60 and 40. I need to introduce you to that 60 and 40. It has helped me a great
Please
deal,
do.
and I believe it will help you too.
Amen.
You know, no be good thing. May not be say you
No,
go
I
and dey
don't
look
really-
40 because I think
I
that you're
just-
40 and 50. You
Okay,
don't
let's
understand.
do that
But
percentage.
just continue.
Let's do that percentage. I will still go with them.
At least today you don't hear new things. 60.
Yes,
60,
I swear,
60.
I don't feel they rate anything percentage. They rate on the likes and dislikes. But now percentage,
Now you know.
I'll try it.
That's a good one. Okay, another point where another excuse where most ladies they give them go say, I just don't want to be in a relationship.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that one are true.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
That
You
means
don't
you
see the
practice it at some point.
Yes. At some point in my life,
You just won't be
Skimpy,
alone.
I know just one day in a
Yeah.
relationship. I don't want that hassle of, oh, where you there? Oh, I won't see you. Oh, I need to maybe tell somebody about my whereabouts or give somebody accounts about my life. I just want day on my own, make decisions on my own. If I want to do this one, I know say that me and me alone. I
And
don't owe
some-
anybody any explanation.
And just to say something, I feel so this particular excuse is a valid excuse.
Yes.
Now, some other excuses one I don't give, it not make brain, but this one actually make brain because even you as a married woman,
Yes.
it gets some time, even in your marriage, where you just want to be left
On
alone.
myself.
So it's a valid excuse.
Very
for
valid.
Me.
Very valid, because I know say then, you know say sometimes when you dey all by yourself, you go feel concentrate, think well. Because if you say that time when you take the think, now the guy come, they buzz your phone, they try talk to you, but sometimes you just want to be by yourself.
Relationship now work on your own. No.
Yeah.
Now
Huge
work.
work.
Babe, I called you and you not pick your call. Where were you? Where did you go to? What were you doing? What did you wear?
But the
Serious
point
work.
now be say, no matter the situation, as we dey talk say whatever, say I don't want to be in a relationship or whatever, you get age where you go reach where be say you not supposed to tell yourself, say I do not want to
still
be
dey
in
that
a
age.
relationship.
What is the age?
I
Tell me
you
the
why.
age.
No,
You know, I
no.
Tell me the age.
I know,
No,
agree.
I
You
know,
know
no,
why?
I know people
Because-
can say back
No,
on
make
this
I say
age.
something, Skimpy. Now,
But
based
I
on
say
that thing when
no.
you talk and the age matter, no matter how old you be, it go get to a point in your life where you know, say emotionally, you know they're stable. And as long as say you know they're stable emotionally, you don't get business to enter any relationship.
let age
At
do that.
35, you go tell
Some
me say you
people
know
not
they
they
stable.
emotionally stable
At 35.
Yes,
You know what? When we
Skimpy.
come back, we go discuss more on top this matter. We dey come back.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.